I hope.
Oh my gosh.
That makes very little sense, dude. It's more fun that way.
I think I'm still in Devo mode.
Right? All that's
right.
left, ladies and gentlemen, is to begin our adventure. To do that, we must sing this theme song that we do every show. And we shall do it now!
And with it all, gather here inside this hall. Aren't you two adventures all, and let your spirits rise? And maidens fair are variants in fur underwear. You can go most anywhere when you're playing with no dice. No dice, no dice, through fire and ice. Arrows fly and swords fly. There's all the world and sacrifice, but never any dice. Into the night, imaginations will take flight. Because there's for your goddamn right, we're playing with no dice.
Flip it.
Flip it good.
It's near the end of day. The lights in the IKEA connecting you, the crude hallways and maintenance paths greet you as the last few customers trundle their overweight American frames through your crude tiles and or cream-colored carpets.
No cafeteria.
That makes sense.
As the lights go out and the last final underpaid teenager sweeps the last bit of detritus from the floor, you hear the same noise you've heard ever since you were but a tiny bathroom, merely waiting to grow in size and scope.
The life cycle of the...
Not only can you inherit from an older person, start as a bathroom.
Yes, very odd
You're
life
changing like a
cycle of
foyer.
Oregon. H.R. Geiger's life cycle of rooms.
It's a closet fit.
The sound you hear is like this. The lock of a door from the outside in, leaving you in the simple, enchanted home space with which you have learned to love and play and laugh again. IKEA, the living room land, the land of living room.
Of the living room.
Of the living. Oh, now I understand.
All rooms are living rooms at IKEA.
The rooms gather in the large warehouse near the end of the shopping area. There lies the dejected bathrooms, overused and undercleaned. The
Actual bathrooms
Yes.
and not like display bathrooms.
Yes. You know, the rooms in the beginning that people definitely probably have rested in too much. The electronics rooms where they have giant eyes on their TV screen.
Yeah.
They're fun. The lamp room is there. She's wearing a lovely dress made of lamps. Everyone loves
She is
her.
brilliant.
The belle
The
of
light
the
of our
ball.
life.
Yes.
It would be without her.
Always throwing. Yeah.
You see just, 80 feet from where you're standing talking to Junkbag, the low, sloping walls of the IKEA's exit. The glass doors beckon you to an empty parking lot. And in between you are a series of cashier stations and the tiny cafeteria sitting there, the youngest member of the family of living room. Pizza. His tongue is made of a pizza slice.
Yeah, that's great.
And his eyes are made of cups of yogurt.
Aw.
And his irises are made of blueberries within that yogurt.
So he's a pretty cultured fellow.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
His fingers are long, creepy hot dogs.
Boland bird. Hot dog fingers?
Hot dog fingers, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's wearing a big diaper made of napkins. I'm a baby, he
You
says.
gotta stay here. You can't come with us.
Nah,
You're too little.
Out of the way, little one.
And now give him some Werthers.
Okay.
No,
Easy.
choke on
Let him choke on him.
Let's see. He does not enjoy the Werthers.
Oh, he's too
He
young.
takes.
Who doesn't enjoy them?
These are bad for you. These aren't even. They're not good
You
for.
would only go
Right.
pizza for a tug.
Yeah, I prefer an iron-rich diet.
Oh, hey, no, guy, little guy, look. Look, it's gonna be okay. You just relax. We gotta go out and take care of some stuff. But hey, I some of my buddies are gonna hang out with you. Now, I've been picturing my guy has just like an army of beetles at his beck and call.
I'm with it.
So like just a couple of my beetles scurry out from underneath me.
Yeah, they
And
are plastic beetles. Yeah, they're like part of your room design.
Yeah, exactly. They're decorative.
Juice, I get it.
So I'm like, hey, go hang out with these guys. They'll keep you company while we're gone.
Tiny sentient beetles, the nanites of your nervous system, work their way out of you and give the baby cafeteria a tiny scratch on the head. Thanks. I don't like it.
I like it.
Gross. Look, you need to get out of here. Just get out of here.
Fine.
From 80 feet away behind you, Junkbag pipes up. Hey, just leave him alone, all right? He's a fucking weird kid. He's getting there. All right? He's arguably the most tainted out of all of us.
Junk bag.
The fat people go there and become more fat.
Ooh, the gummy beers. The jummy beers.
Oh, yeah.
The sausages.
You don't notice a thing.
Oh.
I look around to see if I notice anything.
You look around. You look around successfully. Man, it's a big parking lot.
That parking lot sure is big.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You have to unlock it.
Oh, yeah. I reach out and I unlock the door.
A triumphant theme plays in your mind as you imagine the Lord of the Rings, which is played in each of you at one point or another.
Yeah,
Luke.
definitely for me.
As that moment in Lord of the Rings where Frodo and Sam stop and go, wait,
I go any
this is the farthest I've ever gone to the land of the Ving Room.
Which would literally be any step outside.
Any
the door.
step outside of the door.
You should probably go first though. If we all try to fit
I
it
just
through the
keep
doors,
saying
it's
every
just gonna.
step. I'm just like,
Yeah.
this is the farthest I've gone.
This is the farthest. This is the farthest.
I've gone.
Okay.
So I have a question.
Yes.
Do we know if other buildings and rooms are also sentient? Like, can we ask for the McDonald's building for information
Send
as to
out a-
like who the fuck is this
Send
guy?
out a
Like a
pulse,
booth
like
shit
a.
like that?
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't know.
Twilight
Yeah, or like just
from
like the like the
Windows.
container where the dumpster is.
Yeah.
You
I mean,
stop with your feet.
I think nothing will stop you from doing that.
Okay,
and
I'm
given you're the role, we'll see.
Yep. I'm gonna try to talk to the enclosure where they keep the dumpsters.
All right, excellent. So a crude wooden fence with a dumpster inside. You walk towards it and you see what in your room sense, your living room sense, you make out what might be its face. It greets you with stony indifference.
Hey man, so what's going on?
Trash.
What's it? Who
talk.
the F
But
is
I
that
can't
guy?
talk. That's right.
You're trash. I'm trash. These people are trash. I wanted to be a hot topic.
Well,
Don't
you'll
we
still
all
be
know that?
trash.
But I'd be shinier trash than this. At least the oil inside me then would just be on teenagers'
Oil, you
faces.
say?
Oil.
I'm going to light some scented candles. Toss them in your
Kerosene
room.
lamp.
Yeah, set the whole shit on fire.
You're gonna kill a room. Okay.
All of it.
All of it.
It's just a dumpster enclosure.
A dumpster.
Yes,
Yeah.
but it's going to catch the whole thing on fire and entrap the grimace.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's
Okay.
So
right.
other rooms are set, so we may be burning down.
Yes, you are
There's
also
the
committing
child's play
roomicide.
Yeah.
I'm after the grimace. Oh, grimacy.
Right.
At any cost.
The
Scented candle.
let's see. The scented candles that smell of oatmeal raisin cookies immediately become incredibly hot, and the dumpster enclosure loves the flames. He welcomes the sweet kiss of death
Good.
as the sizzling heat of oil within him bursts everywhere. People in the parking lot are scalded by hot, bubbling oil.
You'll never sit on one of my friends again.
I thought we were trying to stop the McDonald's, not the people.
And as a
All of them.
large oil bubble bursts, Uncle O'Grimacy is scalded on his whole side.
There you go.
So his green visage becomes a darkened, poopy color.
Is there a person underneath it?
There is a person underneath it.
Oh.
It's Strom Thurmond.
No.
But it doesn't matter
You
at
oldest
all
man
to
in
the
the world.
story. But I just want you to know that as people. It's not relative to the story at all. But
just
I
a
want you to
side
know
hustle.
that deep inside this character is
The
Strom
Emperor
Thurmond.
didn't die?
Yes.
Strom Thurmond.
Yes. But for now, Uncle O'Grimacy.
Right.
I think we're
tried-
gonna need backup. Wow, what do you do?
Oh no, I
I think we're gonna need backup. This might take a while.